Hello. Today I'm working on a Honda gx240 four-stroke engine. It's on an irrigator here, and the problem is it's not starting. So I've already checked with my multimeter and battery's fine. But when you go to pull start, she's locked up. So what I've done is you come through, and I think I know what's wrong with it. You take the valve cover off because it's just easier to get to the spark plug that way. Pull your spark plug out, and if you look down in there, I can't get the light to work just right for you guys to see, but you'll see that that piston is just about all the way up to the top. So in my experience, somehow eventually the air filters start to fail, or they just let enough dirt by that it builds up inside of there, and at some point it falls down in a big, really hard clump, and then you can't get it to, complete a full rotation. So I'm going to shove my air wand down in there carefully and blow everything out of it, and then I'm going to put it all back together, and we'll see if it turns over by hand first, and then we'll try to start it. Okay, so what you're going to do is just take your air wand, set it in there gently. Don't look at it, it's going to blow right back in your face. There. Okay, so that didn't quite work as well as I'd hoped. So I took the recoil starter off and kind of broke it free so that you can spin it. And of course you can't quite see down that hole, but the sorry, the piston, you can see, gets right up to the top and stops. So I'm going to drop it down so I have a little bit more room, and I'm going to try it now to blow some air back through there again. See if that gets anything more out of there. Oh yeah. I think you guys saw that come out of there. Let's see if we can turn it all the way over. Oh, not quite yet. Oh, wait, yep, there we go. You can actually hear the fuel pump kick on from the hydraulic pressure. So, heck yeah, there we go, got that broke free. Let's put it all back together, see if we can get it started. Okay, so I got it all put back together now. And I have a moment of truth. See if we can get her to start. Yep. So there you go. Sometimes it's something simple. Another thing I was thinking just to remember is when you have this open and you have a problem like this, you can push on your valves and just make sure that there's not one of them stuck, because that indicates a whole nother problem. So hope this was a little helpful, and I'll talk to you guys later.